Find true or false. The ratio of Cp by Cv is more for helium gas than that of hydrogen. True or false? ஹீலியத்தை பற்றி பார்ப்போம். ஹீலியம் என்னது? மோனோ அட்டாமிக் and degree of freedom is equal to 3 degree of freedom, and degree of freedom is equal to 3, and its molecular mass is equal to 4, and hydrogen is diatomic and its molecular mass is equal to 2 So Cp by Cv, what is Cp by Cv? For helium monoatomic, Cv is equal to degree of freedom 3 by 2 R, and Cp is equal to 5 by 2 R, and gamma is equal to 5 by 3, which is equal to, you can say 1.6, and for this one Cv is equal to 5 by 2 R, Cp is equal to 7 by 2 R, and gamma is equal to 7 by 5, whose value is 1.5. The first question is that the ratio of Cp by Cv is more for helium. Cp by Cv for helium and Cp by Cv for hydrogen. What is Cp by Cv? For Cp by Cv, that is gamma is equal to 5 by 3, that is equal to 7 by 3, which is 1.6, which is 1.5. It means this is greater, this is greater, this is greater. So therefore Cp by Cv for helium is greater than that of hydrogen. That is, first question is true. Second question, the atomic mass of helium is more than that of hydrogen. Atomic mass of helium is 4. For helium is 4, and for hydrogen it is 2. That means 4 is greater than 2. This is helium, hydrogen. The atomic mass of helium is more than that of the hydrogen. This is also true, this is also true, because 4 is greater than 2. Cp by Cv, that is gamma for diatomic gas, is more than that of monoatomic gas. First we write monoatomic, diatomic. Monoatomic degree of freedom is equal to 3, degree of freedom is equal to 5, and energy is equal to 3 by 2 RT, idoda energy வந்து 5 by 2 RT. Cv is equal to 3 by 2 R, Cv is equal to 5 by 2 R, Cp is equal to 5 R by 2, and this is 7 by 2 R. Gamma is equal to 5 by 3, whose value is 1.6 something. Here gamma is 7 by 5, which is equal to almost 1.4. Calculation may be wrong, just check up. So first question is Cp by Cv for diatomic, that is gamma for, diatomic is more than gamma for monoatomic. Diatomic என்ன வருது? gamma 1.4, gamma is equal to 1.4, greater than 1.6 something, false. Second, third, fourth question, answer. Now the molecule of monoatomic gas has more degree of freedom. 3 for mono and 5 for di. Is it greater? No, this is also false because monatomic 3 degree of freedom adukku 5. So 3 is not greater than 4. So rendu question false. If Cp and Cv are Molar specific heats, then Cp minus Cv of dia is greater than Cp minus Cv of mono. Cp for diatomic, Cp is equal to 5 by 2 R, Cv is equal to Cp is equal to 7 by 2 R and 5 by 2 R. And mono, Cp is equal to 5 by 2 R and Cv is equal to 3 by 2 R. So first we have to Cp minus Cv of first case question is Cp minus Cv of di is greater than Cp minus Cv of mono. So we know Cp minus Cv. What is Cp minus Cv? Cp minus Cv is equal to R. So this is also equal to R. This also equal to R. R cannot be greater than R because R is common for any gas. Cp minus Cv means only R, no other value. So first is wrong. Second question. Cp plus Cv dia. Cp plus Cv dia. So Cp plus Cv dia, that is Cp plus Cv is equal to 7 by 2 R plus 5 by 2 R is equal to 12 by 2 6 R. And Cp plus Cv mono is equal to 3 by 2 5 by 2 R plus 3 by 2 R is equal to 4 R. So this is dia, this is for monoatomic. So what it is given? Second, Cp plus Cv of diatomic is greater than Cp plus Cv of monoatomic. So Cp plus R dia is equal to 6R. It is greater than 4R. So it is right. This is correct. Then next one is Cp into Cv dia. 3 Cp into Cv of dia is greater than Cp into Cv of mono atomic gas. Cp, this is equal to Cp for dia is equal to 7 by 2 into 5 by 2, which is equal to 35 by 4. 35 by 7 by 2 R into 5 by 2 R. So 7 into 35 by 4 R square. Cp into Cv is 5 by 2 R into 3 by 2 R. So 15 by 4 R. So what is 15 by 4 R? 15 by 4 is equal to 3 point something. 3 point something. So this is 3 R, 3 point something R, and 35 by 4. 8 point something into R square. So it is obviously R square get cancelled. 8 point something is greater than 3.33. So this option is also right. In this numerical, a gas mixture consists of 2 moles of oxygen. So oxygen कितना मोल रखे? N1 சொல்லலாம். N1 is equal to 2 mole and argon இது N2 சொல்லலாம் 4 moles இருக்கு. And oxygen is diatomic, and this is monoatomic. It means what? Diatomic, the degree of freedom is equal to 5. Here degree of freedom is equal to 3. We already seen in this section. He is asking at a given temperature. So the mixture are in a given temperature. Both are mixed. So neglecting vibration mode, then we need not to worry about the vibrational mode, which has got 2 degree of freedom per vibration. So total energy of the system. So total energy of the system is equal to energy of oxygen plus energy of argon. Already we have seen energy for 1 mole is equal to half into F into half into R into T. This is for 1 mole. For 1 mole. So it has got, oxygen has got 2 moles. So energy is equal to energy of oxygen per mole. Per mole is equal to F. F is equal to 5 into half into RT, and it has got 2 mole. This is energy for 1 mole. It has got 2 mole. So 2 into multiplied energy of 1 mole plus, and it has got 4 mole. Argon has got 4 moles of argon, and its degree of freedom F is equal to 3 into half into RT. So this is this get cancelled, 5 RT plus this becomes 2 into 3, 6 RT. Therefore energy of the system is equal to 2 plus 11 U1 plus U2 for 2 mole, and for is equal to 11 RT.